The most demoralizing phrase I heard as a ministry leader was, quote, "I think God is calling me to do something different." Now, if you're in ministry, I guarantee you've heard this phrase, and it typically comes on a Sunday morning at just about the worst time possible. I've been there, I've done that. Now, while you may not appreciate the volunteers' timing when they give us this demoralizing news, I don't want to beat up volunteers too much. For all I know, God is calling them to do something different. However, in my decade of experience as a ministry leader in the local church, I have found that people don't quit ministries, they quit leaders. You see, it's my inability to care for them as a volunteer that makes them want to quit. It's my inability to look out for their needs that makes them want to stop serving. It's my inability as a leader to not meet their needs. I'm not meeting their needs, and I'm not meeting the needs that they have or even the needs that they don't know that they yet have. It's me. You see, I need to be that compelling person who is seeking to meet their needs before they know they even have one. It's my inability to care about them as a person that has caused them to decide that God is calling them to do something different. It's my inability to care for them as a shepherd that's causing them to think, you know, maybe this isn't worth it, and maybe God is calling me to do something else. You see, people don't quit ministries. They quit leaders. And I challenge you to take personal pains to increase your leadership game so people will no longer quit because of you. Someone recently sent me a text, and he is currently a member of the Lead Volunteers program, and he said this, quote, "You could have just as easily named this material How to Be a Better Pastor as opposed to Lead Volunteers." That encouraged me, but I got to tell you, listen, do you want to be a better pastor? Do you want to have some done-for-you tools that will help your life and your leadership go better? I know you do. So listen, join leadvolunteers.com today and let's get started.